One of the best parts of producing our show TWB is discovering incredible stories of Black history we never learned about until we hit the road.
It was during our very first TWB Across America road trip series on the leg between Kansas City and Denver that we first came across the story of Nicodemus, Kansas, the oldest remaining all-Black town settled west of the Mississippi.
After the episode was aired, we were contacted by a member of the actual Nicodemus Historical Society. They saw our mention of the town, and while they appreciated the nod, they let us know we barely scratched the surface of the story.
There were towns that were popping up all over, and African-American towns that were being organized and settled, but Nicodemus is the oldest remaining all-Black town west of the Mississippi that was started at the end of Reconstruction.
These people that came out in 1877, about 13, 14 years after they had been freed, and then they have an opportunity to participate in the American dream and be landowners. How awesome is that?
I think especially for African-American history, Nicodemus is a profoundly unique place. Seeing people who had the vision, number one, to think about going to an unknown place and having the courage to say, I can go out there and I'll create my own freedom. Because partially I think we realize now that freedom is not free. Freedom has a cost.
We were honored when they invited us back, this time not just to visit, but to learn, connect, and sit with the people who truly carry the soul of Nicodemus, to understand why this place, now a National Historic Site, is considered sacred ground to so many, including those who can call it home.
On this very special episode of TWB, we go beyond the surface, retelling the story of Nicodemus and his vital role in American history. This time, guided by the voices of those who've dedicated their lives to preserving its legacy. Many of them descendants of the original settlers, people such as...
I'm Angela Bates. I'm the retired executive director of the Nicodemus Historical Society and a descendant of the first settlers that came to Nicodemus in 1877.
My name is Justin Holsby, and I am an assistant professor of Black Studies at the University of California, Santa Barbara.
As well as many others.
Nicodemus is a story of ex-slaves searching for their piece of the American dream while trying to survive in a land taken away from another people's. The irony, it was collaboration with those very same people and others that helped them survive the first winter.
Nicodemus is also a story of triumph and preservation, in large part thanks to the shepherding of some amazing Black women who took charge as stewards of their heritage, as usual.
We were honored to be invited to experience this amazing destination by some equally amazing individuals. Now, we're proud to present this very special presentation, the incredible story of Nicodemus, Black Promised Land Kept.